Let's see what the Galant makes. Okay guys, back from the dyno. The Galant did super well. It did 397 torque and 443 wheel horsepower. I think the next video I'm going to go about on how that was all put together. Remember guys, this is a stock motor. It did great. Thank you Archie from Crown Concepts for getting me on the dyno with less than a day's notice. But today is February 18th. Tomorrow is Streetcar Takeover. By the time I upload this video, it's going to be late like always. But yeah guys, 440 horsepower, pretty much 400 wheel torque. And the next video I'll go over more details on this car. But that's that guys. So now I'm debating if I'm going to put the bigger injectors in and turn up the boost just a little bit more. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, like, subscribe, share the video. Stock block, putting in some more, guys. Thank you, guys.